All right, guys. Looks like we got a bunch of birds flying around in this presentation. So this one is on energy, and we have a bunch of things we need to know. So with uh, all these parts, we need to be able to give examples and be familiar with different examples. So let's get into it. All right. Renewable energy sources, that's first. Renewable energy sources occur naturally. Some examples are sunlight, wind, and rain. On the other hand, examples of non-renewable resources are fossil fuels, such as coal, petroleum, and natural gas. Battery circuits and electrons. A battery converts chemical energy into electrical energy in the form of voltage. There are two plates in a battery, the cathode and the anode. The cathode is positive and the anode is negative. The flow of charges accumulates on the negative plate. Thus, voltage is formed between the two plates. For conservation of energy, this is the total energy of an isolated system that remains constant. Energy cannot be created or destroyed, but can transfer into different forms. Like an example of that would be chemical to kinetic. And here's kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is energy that an object possesses due to its motion. An example of that would be running or riding a bicycle. Those would be the two most typical examples. Chemical energy is the potential of a chemical substance to undergo a chemical reaction and transformation. Examples include batteries, food, and gasoline. Chemical energy provided by food to accelerate a bicycle would be a great example of chemical energy. Potential energy. Potential energy is the stored energy of an object. It is the energy by virtue of an object's position relative to other objects. Examples here are loaded spring or force of gravity. Electrical energy is the movement of a charged particle through a wire resulting in current or electricity. So not surprisingly, electrical energy and electricity are connected. And then finally, we have solar energy. Solar energy is radiant light and heat from the sun harnessed using technology. It's a significant form of renewable energy.